You can see the question on your screen. So I have noted down the question here. Okay, so receipt and payment account is given, all the details are here. Now, very first we'll prepare income expenditure account, and then before preparation of balance sheet we need to prepare opening balance sheet also. Why? Because capital fund is not given here and the values are given related to previous year as well, right? So let's start. Very first see that these adjustments are related to which item. Club owned land and building valued this, and furniture valued this. Here land and building is given. No, furniture is given. Land and building is not given, no problem. And then there were 100 life members on the date each of whom paid, that is related to life membership. So I don't think that it is given here. No, not all. And subscription due on this, yes, that is related to subscription. Where is the subscription? Subscription is this. And sports equipment depreciation is there, and on furniture as well depreciation is there. So these many adjustments we need to tackle. All right, so there is nothing related to, yes, one hidden adjustment is there related to investment. Let's see, interest is given, yes, interest is also given. So this is known as hidden adjustment. Now let's start. All right, so this is the format. Let's see. Like I told you that we have to go in a cross way, because the receipts are mentioned here and these receipts will come here. So cross. Okay, we'll make cross like this. So receipts will come this way and payments will come this way. Okay, so understand that. This is belonging to balance sheet, so we are not taking that. Yes, very first income is subscription. So we'll mention it here by subscription. How much amount is given there? 1 lakh. Fine. Now there is some adjustment also related to that, and something is written in the bracket as well. Understand once again. Okay. See, subscription due on 31st March 2018 and 2019 were 5,000 and 4,000 respectively. So outstanding subscription related to that is previous year and that is current year. Previous year is 5,000 and current year is 4,000, right? Respectively, means in the same sequence. So we'll add very first outstanding at the end. So that is 4,000. One lakh 4,000 has come, and then we will deduct outstanding in the beginning. And how much is there? 5,000. We deduct that. Now that is 99,000. Now one more information is given here. 2,000 for 19 and 20. Okay. So our current year is what? 2018-19. Previous year is what? 2017-18. And next year is what? 2019-20. Right. So this amount is relating to 1920, which has been received in this year, but it is not belonging to this year. So we'll have to deduct it. That is advance at the end. What is 2,000? 2,000 is there? Yes. So how much it comes out? 97,000. Right. Now we have swapped this. Now let's move on to another point, that is interest on investment. Let's tackle this. Interest on investment. How much is given? 8,000. We mention it inside. Alright. Now let's see the adjustment regarding that. We see the investment is 1,60,000. Alright. And 10% rate, 10 by 100. As there is no date mentioned here, so we'll consider it that the investment was purchased this year in the beginning. Okay, so that we can charge the interest for complete year. So how much it comes out? 16,000. and out of the 16,000, how much interest we have received? 8,000. So remaining 8,000 interest is what? Accrued. Okay. So we'll add it here, that we have earned but not received in our hand. Let's move on another two donation. Like I told you that this donation is not having any special name, so this will be treated as revenue receipt and will be shown in income expenditure. Now this donation is having some specification that is specially for building, so we'll show that in balance sheet. This match fund that is related to match, we'll show that in balance sheet. Yes, this charity show proceeds, this is not having any kind of fund, so it can be shown here as a receipt by charity show proceeds. How much? 40,000. So we have tackled. Now what is left? Yes, sale of grass. We sold out the grass and that is what the receipt of ours. So this is again the revenue receipt by sale of grass, 4,000. Alright, now let's move on to payment side. By match expenses, see, match fund is there, and like I told you, a specific fund is maintained separately and we'll show all the calculation there. Okay, not here. Now by because this is what? Fund. Okay, now by rent, and there is no adjustment related to rent, we'll show it directly here. Rent, how much is there? 4,000. Now salaries, there is no adjustment related to salaries, so to salaries, how much? 6,000. Now investment is related to balance sheet, sports equipment related to balance sheet, furniture related to balance sheet. Okay, honorarium, to honorarium, how much? 4,000. Then charity show expenses. What is charity show expenses? 30,000. Okay, we can do one more thing here, because we can treat charity show proceeds as a special receipt, and out of 40,000 we deduct 30,000 directly here, then 10,000 is left, or we can show here as well. Okay, because the same amount will come. Now we need to talk about depreciation. Depreciation on sports equipment is 20%. So we'll have to calculate what is the sports equipment amount? 30,000. So on 30,000, 20%, 6,000. To depreciation is there on furniture as well, right? So what is the value of furniture? 24,000. We'll have to consider this point as well. See, this is what the furniture, they have mentioned the date as well, on 1st April 2018. That was the value of furniture. Alright. And club owned land and building valued rupees 80,000 and furniture valued 20,000. Okay, so they already had that, right? They already had 20,000, and this year they purchased 24,000. It means what is the value of furniture? The opening value of furniture was 20,000, and this year we purchased furniture of 24,000. Okay, then the total furniture is 44,000. Now one more important thing is here, because they people have mentioned date here, right? So earlier 20,000 plus 24,000 on 1st April 2018, and when we are preparing income expenditure account on 31st March 2019, because one complete year has passed on. It means the depreciation will be charged for the complete year on this whole amount. How much? 10%. So that is 4,400. Okay, so let's have a look that any value is left by mistake or not. This is belonging to balance sheet. This is, we have mentioned, this is belonging to balance sheet, and that again balance sheet. No other values left. So now let's have a look at. I think income side is having much amount. Let's do the total. So you can see total of this side is 1,69,000, and total of expense side is 54,400. So let's see what is the difference. So now we can see the difference is 1,14,600. We mentioned it because this is what the surplus to surplus transferred to capital fund. All right, what is 1,14,600 and total we can mention here 1,69,000. So this is our income and expenditure account, right? Now we are going to make balance sheet. All right, so this is the format of balance sheet and opening balance sheet. Like I told you that the opening balance sheet is prepared as working notes, so I have put it under the final balance sheet. So let's start. So whatever the values are there, we'll directly put here so that we can understand also which value goes where. Okay, so this is balance BD, means this is the opening balance of cash. Opening balance of cash will be mentioned in the opening balance sheet. So you mention it here. What is the amount? 9,000. Now, subscription has gone already. Okay, this 2,000 is what? Advance subscription. Advance subscription related to 1920 means next year. So this is a liability for current year. So we'll mention it here. How much? 2,000. Now, interest on investment already we have tackled. Okay, and but this interest on investment we have accrued interest, right? So we can mention accrued interest here. How much? 8,000. Now donation for building 80,000. It is specific fund. Now match fund. This is also again specific fund. 50,000. Let's see. I think there is some expenditure also. Yes, match expenses 42,000. We'll have to deduct it. So the remaining balance of this fund is 8,000. Okay. Now charity show will not go here. Let's come here. Yes, investment. How much? 1,60,000. Here I would explain one more thing. Sometimes the students do that with this investment they add interest as well. See, interest we can add, but the meaning of it changes. Okay, if we add interest to this, it means that we have reinvested the amount of interest as well. So if we are doing it, then we can do that. Otherwise, it is wrong to do that. We'll have to show them separately. 1,60,000, that is the investment, and 8,000 is the earning. Okay, we are not reinvesting it. Now, sports equipment 30,000, and there is the depreciation also on this at the rate of 20%. How much? 6,000. Now, furniture. See, furniture is also given here in the opening. So in the opening we had 20,000, then we bought furniture for 24,000. So how much it became? 20,000 plus 24,000, it became 44,000. And we charge depreciation also at the rate of 10%. So that is 4,400. And how much it comes out? 39,600. Now, yes, this balance 3,000. It is the closing balance. It will be mentioned here. Now, right, let's read this. Club owned land. Own means they already had that. So land and building will be mentioned here. How much? 1,000. Remember, there is no further purchasing of land and building, but land and building will remain in the business. Okay, this was in the beginning of the year as well as at the end. Like you can take the example of 20,000 furniture was there in the beginning as well as at the end. So same case will be applied here. Land and building again will be mentioned here because that is there with us still. Now these 2 points are done. Yes, this is what the life membership fees, and that is also on the date, means it is written about the previous year. Okay, so we have to mention it here. Life membership fees. How much it is? 200 multiply 100 means 20,000. So this is a liability. So this liability will also continue in our business. So we'll have to mention it here as well. Now, subscription. Yes, outstanding subscription. Current year. How much related to current year? 4,000. And outstanding subscription previous year. How much? That is 5,000. Now, what else is left? Everything's done, I think. Accrued interest we have mentioned. Anything we miss? I don't think. Let's check once again. Everything has been mentioned here. Okay, now let's make a total because we need capital fund here, right? And then we will add surplus to that. And what is our surplus? 1,14,600. I have written there. Okay, so let's have a total of this. Furniture will also be mentioned there because it was there in the beginning as well. Furniture is 20,000. 1,14,000. We'll deduct 20,000 out of this. So this 94,000 is the balancing figure, and that is our capital fund. So we'll mention 94,000 here. Let's see after adding the surplus to this how much it comes out. 600. Now we'll do the total. So we can see total of this side is 3,18,600. Let's see the total of this side as well. This is also 3,18,600. So this has been balanced. So this is the way to attempt the question. Here we have seen a lot of adjustment. Okay, so we'll see in the another video. Thank you for today.